Hello guys, it's Chef Stas from Ask Chef channel, and today we're cooking together pesto, but not one. I'll show you 3 different recipes. Pesto from Italian just means a paste, so it can be done from any vegetables. First we'll cook the classic one, Pesto Genovese with the basil. Then I'll show you the recipe with the pesto with the celery stems. And the last but not least, delicious pesto from my favorite carrot tops. Okay, intrigued? Let's start cooking. For the classic Genovese pesto, take 150 grams of basil, wash it well, dry. Pick the leaves from the stems directly into the blender. Pine nuts must first be toasted in a dry pan until they are caramelized. Stir so they won't burn. Meanwhile, grate zest from half of a lemon and add it to the basil. Squeeze out the juice of half a lemon. Add 1 clove of garlic, toasted nuts. Grate 50 grams of Parmesan cheese or Grana Padano. Turn on the blender and add 250 ml of olive oil. Stir the food in a blender until it turns into a paste. Season with salt and pepper if desired. And now the classic pesto is ready. For pesto with celery, take 200 grams of stalks. You can add stump or other trimmings. Cut into cubes, put in a blender. After that, add a clove of garlic, 50 grams of walnuts. They should also be toasted beforehand. Coarsely chop 100 grams of parsley and put in a blender. Cut off the zest from half a lemon. Add to the jug. And also squeeze out the juice from half of the lemon. Put 50 grams of Pecorino Romano cheese in a blender. Pour in 250 ml of olive oil. Season with pepper. Lightly salt, remember Pecorino is rather salty cheese. Then let the machine do the job. Turn the products in a blender into pesto, stirring as needed. You will surely appreciate the fresh and bright taste of this dish. Now for third pesto, take the tops of 8 carrots. Thoroughly rinse it to remove earth, dry. Then chop it coarsely and put it in a blender jug. Do the same with 50 grams of parsley. Grate the zest from half a lemon. Put it in a jug. Add a clove of garlic. Roasted peanuts. 50 grams of hard cheese of your taste. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Season with pepper, salt and add 250 ml of olive oil. Grind with a blender and you are done. Fresh, tasty and healthy pesto. If you like pesto, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye!